So all of you chose unit test after term break, right?
So nobody is doing a mid test. Do
Nobody
you
what?
know, sir? Nobody is doing a mid test. Nobody.
No
Everyone is just
teacher.
doing unit
No
test. Yeah,
teacher.
no teacher, sir. No teacher.
You said yesterday.
Enggak, I said unit test. Mid test is just the fancy name, sir. Tapi nobody is doing mid test. Not physics, not
I
bio,
think you're
not.
gonna have a semester test, but not
Yeah,
mid.
sir. Kita bakal
Yeah,
pas semester test in term 2, which is why.
there is no mid test. There is mid test. No mid test.
Yeah, sir. Just do unit test.
That's
Tapi
why I
after the term break, because like that's the point, sir. Kan the score juga nggak bakal there.
you're like afraid to get a unit test.
Yeah, I'm afraid, sir, because I'm not prepared.
But are you brave enough to face CIE examination later on?
Yeah, tapi kan I bakal practice, sir. Tapi
Which I
this
think-
week I'm
Ya
so
practice
in
from
my
now lah.
heart.
No.
Yeah, I think
Oh.
more people
I
voted
see.
for before term break, sir.
But that's only because ini after term break itu mid test. But if after term break unit test, I would vote for after term break.
So
Tapi
after term break,
cuma unit test, tapi only if unit test.
so after term break we
Unit
have
test.
review ya, chapter 11 to 13.
No, just 13. Nobody's doing
If
it.
only
unit test,
13,
sir.
let's we call it unit test, not
Iya,
not
emang mau
review.
unit test, sir.
Dia jangan nego, Dri.
Nah, itu
I
tuh
cannot,
Violet tuh.
nggak bisa. Dude, kalau you fail, ya, it's not my fault.
Actually, yeah, I said really for this bet, I give you 3 weeks for every chapter. Yeah. Usually in the I already taught 6 bets. Yeah, I only teach every one chapter is only 2 weeks, but only this bet I give you 3 weeks loh.
Ini masih 1 week, sir.
Yeah, no, we already have 2 unit tests, right? And every unit test I give you 3 weeks to discuss.
That's because banyak
2.5.
bolong-bolong kelasnya.
Not 2.5.
2.5.
Yang nggak bolong-bolong juga. The same. Last week, we also have 3 sessions per week. Same with you. The previous
But
batch.
last week, we even baru did our unit test.
Yeah, enggak. But totally for every single chapter, I give you 3 weeks loh, not 2 weeks.
But this week this time cuman 1 week, sir. It's really not enough, sir.
Yeah,
sir, tapi ini topiknya, I'd rather our first differentiation itu 1 week.
Yeah, 1 week. But you study 3 weeks loh. Chapter 11, 3 week. Chapter 12, 3 week. Chapter 13, 3 week. Yeah,
I mean, like if like you said like after term break, like 3 chapter better before term break, sir.
Iya.
Okay, term break.
If before term break, it's not useful because the last date for inputting into the Pintro is 21 and 22.
That's why. Like,
Yeah.
it's not useful. But then also, I also don't want mid test.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, any
Choose,
question
right?
for
Between-
any question for 13.2? You already discussed with Mr. Humala.
I don't know how to do yang practice now. Ada one number.
13.2.
Yeah. Tian 5 number 1E.
Which one? Practice now.
Yeah, practice now, not working example.
Practice now. 5 or 6?
5.
5. This one. Number?
1E.
1E.
Oh.
This. Okay, it's easy. Okay, the rule is like this. When you have y equal to ln a something like this, yeah, ln a. So the differentiation of this dy dx is equal to ln a is 1 over a, and then you multiply with the derivative of a, multiply by a prime, whatever a here. So in this case, we have a is this, right? A is equal to x over x squared plus 2 to the power of 1/2. And this is, you may have done this as b over c, right? So a is quotient rule. So for quotient rule, what is a prime? Yeah, use this formula, kan? B prime c minus bc prime over b squared. Yeah, and then you plug in over here. It's done. Yeah, so b is 8, b prime is 1, c is x squared plus 2 1/2. So c prime 1/2 x squared plus 2 negative 1/2 times this derivative general, yeah, to x. You can simplify as x squared 1 plus 2 minus 1/2. And then you plug in everything. So 1 over a. What is 1 over a? Yeah, 1 divided by x over square root of x squared plus 2. This is 1 over a. Time a prime. What is a prime? This. A prime. B prime c. What is b prime? 1 c square root of minus b. What is b? Sorry, a prime b minus bc prime. A prime b minus bc prime square root of times c prime. C prime, which one? Oh, this x squared plus 2 negative 1/2 over b squared. Yeah, this one.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
And you can simplify. You can simplify this. Right? Everything, whatever. So if you have learned something, so one again, yeah, if you have learned something, so y prime is equal to 1 over a times a prime. Yeah, actually this is chain rule. How many chain? 2. 1, learn, and the second is a itself. And then look at a. A is quotient rule. So use the formula b prime c minus bc prime over b square. Sorry, over c square. Over c square, yeah. Okay, any other question? Practice now. What about this, number 2? EY 5x cubed plus 2x. Okay, there are two methods. Yeah. If you want to derive e to the power of a like this, yeah. So the derivation of a to the power of a equal to same, yeah. A to the power of a and multiply with a prime like this. If you use this formula, is okay. So we can directly the derivative of this equal to, let's say this is a. Yeah? Let's say this is a. So what is the derivative of this? Yeah, become e to the power of y times y prime, yeah, kan? Because a is y, kan? And then the right hand side is 15x squared plus 2. And we want to find this, right? So what is y prime? Yeah, right divided by left, kan? And then e to the power of y equal to this. So we can substitute 15x squared plus 2 over 5x cubed plus 2x. This is method 1. Okay, we also can solve this by apply learn. So we put learn both sides. I put learn both sides, yeah. So we have learn EY equal to learn 5x cubed plus 2x. Yeah. And this become y ln e kan. Ln e equal to 1. So this is equal to y. Okay. Like I mentioned before, this is a, right? So you have ln a, right? This is ln a kan. What is the derivative of ln a? Yeah, 1 over a times a prime. Okay. What is 1 over a? 1 over this. What is a prime? 15 x squared plus 2. So you have the same answer kan. Yeah, we have the same answer. Which one do you prefer? You can use method 1 or method 2. But usually method 2 is easier. Yeah? Usually method 2 is easier. The property of logarithm, log and ln. Yeah? Log is a of x to the power of n. So you can move n in front of log. So you have n time log base a of x. Yeah. So this is base, yeah, log base a. And learn is learn x actually the same like log with base e. Yeah, log base e we call it as learn. What is e? E is natural number 2.718 something. This is uh, natural logarithm. Natural logarithm, yeah. Yeah, natural logarithm. Okay, so if you have learn x to the power of n, you can move n in front of learn. So n learn x. Yeah, another property, learn e is equal to 1. Why? Because learn is base e, right? This the same like log base e of e. And then log base e of b, you may write down as log b over log a. So if you have log base a of a will be log a over log a, right? It's equal to 1. That's why ln e will be equal to 1. And then if you have ln x to the power of n, you can move n in front of ln like this. And sorry, e, yeah. So ln e equal to 1. So this is equal to n. Yeah, so again, if you want to differentiate this, let's say this is a like this, yeah. So you need to put ln both sides in front of this. Ln e, ln a, yeah. And then this become y ln e equal to ln a. Ln e is 1. So this is equal to y. Y equal to ln a. So you can directly differentiate y prime equal to 1 over a time a prime. This is chain rule, yeah. The derivative of ln chain 1 multiply with the derivative of a chain 2. That's chain rule. Yeah, so I think better use second method, yeah. Okay, yesterday already explained by Mr. Humala until what example?
Until work example.
Until?
Work example, the first work example, I think.
Yeah, well, example 5, 6, 7.
I think only until 5 too.
Until? So I cannot hear because Adan.
I think only until practice now. I mean work example 5.
Until example 5. Oh, okay. So until this, yeah. Okay, now then we continue, yeah. Work example. Okay, this is the same, yeah. I want to explain you this B, yeah. Because A is, you can identify this is product rule, yeah. A times B. Okay, I discuss A, yeah. Y equal to 3x squared ln x. A is 3x squared. A prime is 6x. B is ln x. B prime is 1 over x. Yeah, again, yeah, 1 over this and multiply with the derivative of x is 1. So it's 1 over x. Then if y equal to a times b, yeah, what is y prime? A prime b plus a b prime. A prime 3x 6x b ln x a 3x squared b prime 1 over x. Simplify 6x ln x plus 3x. Done. Very easy kan? Not very easy, Lulu? I think very easy. Is it correct, Audrey? Very easy?
Yes, I'm so slow.
Oh, I think Angeline must be said very easy. Yeah, Angeline kan? You must be agree with me. Oh yeah, gini ya. Vincent, do you understand?
Yeah.
Understand this ya? Jerry, Jerry. Jeremy, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You understand this?
Yep.
Good. Okay, can you help me to solve this? Number one, y equal to x ln x. Okay, what is your method, Jeremiah? What kind of this differentiation? Okay, you remember three, yeah? You have
Itu 2x1, 2x doang. Itu tan 2x not.
oh okay, tan ya, ln tan, ln tan, ln tan, x, ln tan, ln tan. Okay, so do you remember we have three kind of differentiation: product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule. Yeah. Yeah. Example chain rule like this. You remember tan to the power of 3 of x squared. So how many chain? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yellow, blue, green. Okay, Jeremiah, go ahead. What kind of method? What kind of differentiation for this? Y equal to x ln tan to x.
So the tan to x become 1 over tan to x. And then
No, my question is what kind of differentiation? Is it product rule, quotient rule, chain rule?
is it chain rule?
Chain rule?
No. Hmm.
Vincent, what do you think? What kind of differentiation?
Oh, product rule.
Product rule. So if product rule, let's say this is A, yeah, Jeremiah, let's say this is A. It's a function and then multiply with another function, this B. Okay, yeah. So now we have A equal to A. What is A prime?
1.
Jeremiah, 1. B is learn. Okay, if we're talking about B only, what kind of differentiation, Jeremiah?
Chain.
Chain, yeah. Okay, how do you derive this? Okay, do you remember if y, I repeat again, yeah, for all of you, yeah, y equal to ln a, so y prime is 1 over a multiplied with a prime, or directly a prime divided by a. Yeah, so in this case, a is tan to a. Okay, continue, Jeremiah. So what is b prime?
It's 1 over tan to x.
1 over tan to a, and then what is the
Times
derivative of tan to a?
6 squared, right?
Sec square of
2x.
to a. Is it done? Oh,
Is it 2 sec squared 2x?
yeah, sec square to a.
Hmm.
And then is it done? Is it enough?
Well, I thought it's 2 sec squared 2x.
Yeah, if y equal to tan a, So the derivative of y prime equal to sec square angle. The angle is never changed. You need to multiply with a prime, because this is chain rule again, yeah. It's chain rule. So we need to multiply with the derivative of 2 because this is chain rule times 2. Yeah. So if we simplify, 2 sec square 2x over tan x. Yeah. And then you plug in anything. If y equal to a times b, what is y prime?
A prime B plus
A
AB
prime b plus ab prime. A prime is 1. B is ln tan 2x. And then plus a. A is x. B prime is this. 2 sec square 2x tan 2x. And then if you want to simplify this, yeah, we know that sec 2x is 1 over cos. Yeah, if sec square 2x, yeah, 1 over cos square 2x. So if you write down this in terms of sine and cosine, so this become 2 over cos square 2x like this, divided by what is tan 2x? Sin over cos kan. So tan 2x is sin 2x over cos 2x. Not like this, yeah. Not tan 2x is not equal to sine over cos 2x. Not like this. Is incorrect, yeah. So every trigonometry has its own angle. So you must write down as sine 2x over cos 2x. And then just simplify this. It's only algebra, yeah. Just algebra. Okay, good. And then number 2. Can you help me, Vincent? What kind of differentiation, Vincent?
Quotient rule.
Quotient rule, correct. So y equal to ln 2x over 1 plus x. Let's say this is a over b. So a equal to ln 2x and b equal to 1 plus x. So continue, Vincent. What is a prime?
A prime is 1 over 2x
Okay,
times 2.
times 2. So simplify as 1 over x. What is
Yeah.
b prime?
1
Okay, if y equal to a over b, what is y prime?
is A prime
A prime
times B
mhm,
minus AB prime
over.
over B squared.
Okay, so a prime is this, b is this, and a is ln 2x. B prime is 1. B square is 1 plus x square. Okay, so you may write down as 1 plus x over x, negative ln 2x, 1 plus x squared. If you want to make it the same denominator for the second term, so you may write down as 1 plus x over x. You multiply with x over x, so become like this. 1 plus x squared. And then if you have a over b divided by c, so this become a b times c like this. So you combine this and this. It's basic algebra, yeah. So now we have 1 plus x ln to x times 1 plus x squared.
So what number are we doing?
Okay, after. Okay, before I give you point test, any question about number 1 and number 2? Okay, now I ask you. Is it easy? After I explain to you. Out 3. Lulu.
I mean, I understand, yeah. Tapi I am still very slow. And I don't think this is easy.
Yeah, okay, but at least not difficult, kan? It's only apply product rule, chain rule, quotient rule.
I
And
just
then
need practice.
Yeah. Okay, Lulu, what do you think?
I think I still am confused on when to apply the rules and when to separate the values and combine them again.
Okay, which one do you still confused about? But can you difference? Can you make it differ between product rule, chain rule, and quotient rule? Kan?
I hope so.
Yeah, of course it is easy. This is multiplication of two, kan? Two different function, kan? Learn something is one function. X is another function. So it's gonna be multiplication two different function. So there must be it should be product rule. Okay, and this must be chain rule because a function divided by another function. But if chain rule, like you have sine to the power of 3 to the power of ln of x squared, like this. This is chain rule, right? Why? Why chain rule?
Because later we times the power to the front.
Not only that, because every sine trigonometry have an angle. So this is belong to sine. This is not multiplication sine to the power of t times ln x squared. But this expression is as an angle of sine. Right, yeah? So this is as the whole function. And we cannot say that this time this, but this is belong to sine, the angle of sine. That's why this is gonna be chain rule. Okay, I'll give you another example. What do you think if I have, oh, it's only until 6, yeah?
Wait,
Yeah,
number 2 is chain rule,
number two, this
or
one,
it's just division?
division rule, quotient rule. Okay, let's give you another example to make you master in this chapter. This is quite important, yeah, because in university, this is the basic of calculus, especially for differentiation, yeah, regarding chain rule, product rule, and quotient rule is mostly used frequently in the calculus. Yeah. So you identify this. I have sine to the power of 3 ln tan the power of what kind of this function? Okay,
Is that
I identify, yeah. 1 product rule, 2 quotient rule, 3 chain rule. Which one?
chain?
Chain. What do you
Chain
think?
and chain and
Yeah.
product rule.
The first one is chain, and another one is.
Product.
Is there any product rule? Which one?
Wait.
Product rule?
Ya kan?
Product rule kayak gimana ya?
Wait a second.
Is there any product rule?
Just chain rule, right?
No.
Is it only chain rule?
Sir, I know how to use the rule.
Okay, let's identify. Okay, again, yeah. Every trigonometry needs an angle. Yeah, every trigonometry needs an angle. My question is, what is the angle of sine here?
Ln tan x3.
Yeah, all of this is belong to angle of sine. So you may write down as, let's say I have sine to the power of 3 of a, where a is the angle of sine. What is a? A is ln to the power of 4 of tan x cubed. Okay, next, if we're only talking about a, what kind of this? Is it become product rule or chain rule? Is it product or chain rule?
Product.
Product?
Chain.
Chain. Product or chain?
Chain.
What do you think, Lulu? Is it product? Okay, this is the most important thing, yeah, for all of you. Yeah. Again, yeah, every sine, cos, and tangent need angle. Okay, every ln or log, yeah, ln or log also need, we call it as logarithm number. So this we call it as logarithm number. There is no expression only ln to the power 4. No expression about this. it must be logarithm number followed by logarithm number. So in this case, let's say this is b. So b is tan x cubed. Now a can be written down as ln to the power of 4 of b. So that's why this is later on this is gonna be chain rule, not product rule, because this is not multiplication of this time this, but tan x cubed here is belong to ln. Do you understand, Lulu? Do you understand now? So tan x cubed here is belong to ln. This is not multiplication, ln time this, no. Okay, Regina, do you understand this?
Think so.
Still confused? Kan every again ya, every learn need logarithm number. There is no expression learn. Nggak ada kayak gini, nggak ada. Only learn nggak ada. But learn of something. Same like sine. Sine kan nggak ada. But sine of angle. Yeah. You know the difference, yeah? There is not only learn itself, but learn of this, we call it as logarithm number. Yeah, so this identify as chain rule later on. Okay, if this is chain rule, maybe this is it's look like quite hard, but actually this is easy, not difficult. If you understand the concept well, so if you have a very like this learn something, the power something, is actually this is not difficult. It's easy. If you understand the basic concept. Okay, how do you solve this? Back to this here. This is yeah, maybe for differentiation this look like hard, yeah, but actually not hard. Just look like hard, but not hard. Okay, I have this, yeah. So let's say identify this as A, this as A. I use different color maybe. Okay, I have A is learn to the power of 4 tan x to the power of 3. And then let's say B is this tan x to the power of 3. Now I can set that y equal to sine to the power of 3 of A, right? And then A is learn to the power of 4 of B, like this, where B is tan x cubed. Let's say you can define as that C is x cubed no matter. So now you have this is like what do you call this? Composite function. This is composite function. Yeah. So if we want to derive this, y equal to sine to the power of 3 of A. So it's easy. What is y prime? Y prime is it's gonna be chain rule, because how many chain? We have power, we have sine, and we have A. So 3 chain. Yeah. From power, we have 3 sine to the power of 2 of A. This, yeah. And then multiply with sine. The derivative of sine is cos A. And the last chain is A itself. So time A prime. Okay, until here done, kan? The angle is never changed. Again, yeah. For the angle, never change. And then now, how do we derive A? Yeah, is here. We already have this, kan? We know that A equal to ln to the power of 4 of B. Yeah. Where B equal to tan x cubed. So what is A prime? Now we need this to plug in over here. Kan? Okay, again, this is chain rule. Why? Because consists of power and then learn, and the last one is B itself. So we still have 3 chain. Okay, so the derivative of A prime will be power ya, 4 ln to the power of 3 of b. Every ln need a logarithm number, which is b. Okay, and then followed by the second chain is ln. What is the derivative of ln? Yeah, 1 over 1 over b. And last one, you multiply with b prime itself. Okay, and the last one, we already have b is tan x cubed. So b prime is the derivative of tan, chain rule ya, multiply with the derivative of x cubed, the angle. So the derivative of tan is sec square of the angle time the derivative of angle is 3x squared. So I may write down as 3x squared sec square x cubed. And then you plug in over here. So you got a prime, right? So you got a prime, right? And you got a prime, plug in over here. So you got y prime. Okay, who want to try this number? To remain you can ask. I have a to the power of y is equal to 1 over ln to the power of 3 sine to the power of 4 x to the power of 5. Okay, want to try this? I give you 2 mark online.
Can I try?
Oh, William ya? Yeah, okay. What is the first step?
So the e square y equals to ln after that pangkat -3.
So you make this as ln to the power of -3 sine 4x5 ay like this ya.
Yeah.
Okay,
After
and
that,
then
you
after this, like previous number kan, if we face e to the power of y, you put ln both sides.
yeah, so that it can be y and the ln can be coret there.
Okay, after we put ln both sides over here and over here, right? So all of these become logarithm number of this ln, right? And you
Yeah.
move over here, so y times ln e is 1. So now we have y equal
It's
to
only y. So
only
only
y,
y.
yeah, only y, and then
Yeah.
you have ln
Ln
minus
-3.
3
After that,
sine to the power of 4 x to the power of
pangkat
5. Yeah, I make a different bracket. How do you solve this? Is it ln
So-
times ln to the power of -3?
So it's 1 over ln to the power of -3.
Okay. So the derivative of this is 1 over, this is logarithm number of ln, yeah? So 1 over this sine 4x5 like this, yeah? And then
Yeah. Times -3 ln
yeah. So what kind of this differentiation?
to
This is
that's of
yeah. Let's say this is a. Yeah. Let's say this is a. A is ln minus 3 sine 4x5. What kind of this derivative? This is
chain.
chain rule, correct? Because we have power, ln, and then logarithm number. So it must be -3. You said -3, yeah?
Yeah.
And then ln to the power of
-4.
-4 of, this is logarithm number. You write down all sine 4x5. Is it done?
No.
No, you need to multiply with
The inside.
inside. You said this is chain, kan? This is still the derivative of power. This is the derivative of power. Yeah, after derivative power followed by
It's
derivative of
what times 1
yeah 1/4 this ya. You learn ya.
over x
Yeah,
to the power.
1/4 sine to the power of 4 x5 like this kan.
Then
Let's say
time
this derivative ya.
the
Time this derivative. What is the derivative of sine to the power of 4 x5? What is the derivative of sine to the power of 4
4
x5?
sine to the power of 3 times
Okay,
x to
4
the power of
sine to the power of 3 x to the power of 5. This is the derivative of power, right?
So next is cos x to the power of 5.
Correct. Cos x5, and then the last one, this, yeah. And the last one is 5 x cubed, x4, yeah. Done this. Okay, I give you 2, William. Good.
Wait, sir, what happened to it?
What happened to?
That one is the final answer, or that's
Yeah,
only...
you multiply all this time, this time, this time, this time, this time, this.
What happened to the first one?
Okay, the first one, you have learned of all of these belong to logarithm number of learn because there is no learn itself. Every learn need logarithm number. So do you remember if you have learn A, right? Let's say this A, kan? Learn A. The derivative is 1/A. This is 1/A. This is A. Yeah, A is this. And A here is also chain rule. So chain rule coming from power, learn, and then the logarithm number itself. Okay, and then yeah, power, from power we have -3 learn to the power -4 of logarithm number. The derivative of learn is 1/, let's say this is B. Let's say this is B, yeah. Yeah, so 1/B, this is B.
Why do we need a B?
Yeah, because learn, again, need logarithm number, right? So 1/B. And then multiply with the derivative of B itself. This is B. So the derivative of B consists of chain rule, kan? Power, sine, and angle. So this is power. Yeah, and then this is the derivative of sine is cos. And the last one, the derivative of x5 is 5x4. But don't worry, there is no question as long as like this. I just only give you hard question, like to make you understand well. Whatever the kind of the question, so you can understand which one product rule, which one quotient rule, and which one chain rule. But if you understand this example, yeah, I think it's quite good. Like William, yeah, thanks. Thank you very much, William. Oh yeah, I forgot to written down. You got 2 for this. Any question, guys? Yeah, still have 9 minutes. I will give you that's yeah. Okay, go to exercise 13B. Yeah, if you look at my example, so all of these numbers should be very easy. Kan? Just learn A, 1/A, A prime, 1/A, A prime, 1/A, A prime. It's very easy. Skip it. Okay, maybe try to solve number 2 deh. Number 2 all. Number 2 and number 3 ya.
So we do all the number.
Yeah, all. Only 2 and 3. All letters. I hope you can finish it in 7 minutes. You just have 7 minutes. Okay, time's up. Yeah. If you want to send a solution, just still with next 1 minute. Yeah, any question dulu?
I'm just waving back.
Oh, okay. Bye everyone. See you.